being an artificial person cannot generate its own capital, which has necessarily to be created from several persons. These persons are known as shareholders, and the amount contributed by them is called share capital. Authorized capital, issued capital, subscribed capital, called up capital, paid up capital, uncalled capital, reserved capital. Let us take the example of and show how the share capital will be shown in the balance sheet. Sunrise Company Ltd. New Delhi. Ordinary equity shares, preference shares, accounting for share capital. The business in the form of sole trader and partners by certain limitations is meeting the growing needs of business and common. The limitation of capital and burden of liability have limited the scope of growth of these type of businesses. The need and for such type of business which can overcome the limitation of sole trader and partners business. This led to be the further development of new form of business in the form of a company. A joint stock company is an association of group of persons incorporated under law having an artificial personality and its capital being divided into shares in India. The affairs of the company are governed by the provisions of the Companies Act 2013. In a company, the capital is contributed by a large group of persons who are treated as the owners of the company and are known as shareholders of the company. The owners of the company are not able to participate in the management of affairs of business, and even this is not possible. Hence, in order to carry out the affairs of the business, the board of directors are elected who work on behalf of the shareholders or owners of the company. The capital raised from share is known as share capital. The amount raised from the venture is known as debt capital. In this chapter, we will study with company and the accounting treatment of share capital. Section 2 of 20. Section 2 of 20 of the Companies Act 2030 defines the company to mean a company incorporated under the Companies Act 2030 or any previous law. A company is an artificial person treated by law being a separate entity with a perpetual succession and common seal. A company is an association of persons united for a common project. After going through the above definition, an ideal definition can be given as follows. Company is an artificial person treated under law for an intangible object having separate entity for its member. It is a common seal and has the right of perpetual success. Created by law, artificial person, separate legal and separate entity, perpetual success and common seal, limited liability, transfer of shares management, types of company. chartered share. Types of share according to Companies Act. A company can issue the following two types of shares: ordinary or equity shares, preference share. Public Company Section 2 of that. Then Section 271 of the Companies Act defines the public company which is not a private company, a company which is a subsidiary of a one-person company as per Section 260 and as per Section 2, okay, Part number 62 of the Companies Act 2013. One-person company is a company in which only one person is a member of the company. As per Companies Rule 2013 and 2014, there are provisions made under Rule 3. Only a natural person being an Indian citizen who is a resident of India can form a one-person company. The paid of capital of the company is not more than 50 lakh. Its average annual turnover is the immediately preceding 3 financial year is not more than 2 crores, and the company can't perform any non-banking financial activities. Foreign company, the firm share. Many of the joint stock company requires a large amount of capital. Its capital is contributed by many persons. The capital of the company is divided into small units of definite amount. Each such small unit is called share. The person who subscribed to these shares are called shareholders. For example, the capital of such an is 1 crore divided into 10 lakhs unit shares. Then the value of each share will be, and these shares are transferable as per the terms stated in the article of association. The shares have certain per value according to justice, and the proportionate part of the capital which is taken over by the member is called share. Types of share. Cumulative, non-cumulative, cumulative, convertible, non-convertible, participating, non-participating, guaranteed, redeemable, irredeemable. Rate or amount of dividend of such are predetermined and fixed. They can vote only on those matters which are related to their interest. Equity shares are of less value. Stock, minimum stock, those shares of the company which are fully paid are called stock. When the fully paid up shares are converted into stock by the company, for which the company issues a certificate. Stock is simply a set of shares put together in a abundance. Stock can be split up into any fraction. Difference between share and stock.